You're great, they gon' hate. Ha. Yeah. What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, man, coming at y'all with another banger, man. Hey, 720 PB in the building, man. I don't know if these are even 720s, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know, man. All I know is I found the pattern. You know what I'm saying? I'm consistent with my angles. I'm using nothing but Goldrip products. And, I'm still woofing. I'm on day 71. Actually, right here is day 70. And, I just know I need to update y'all. You know what I mean? Because I know a lot of you guys don't be on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys are not social media savvy. A lot of people just like Instagram. So I got to put PB Gang, my OG members, on, bro. I got to make sure I update you guys, too. So I'm trying to be consistent on YouTube, too, as well, as y'all can see. Second crown coming in, starting to close a little more. Y'all know I got 2 crowns. A lot of you guys on the last video said, oh, I didn't know you can have 2 crowns. This is not. You can, bro. Everybody's born the way God has made them, bro. You know what I'm saying? I was born with 2 crowns. And I went with the right crown, which is my most dominant crown. I felt like that fit my pattern I was going for. You see what I'm saying? That's why I want my right crown, instead of the left. The left is too far off to the top, so I feel like it wouldn't have went together. You feel me? So I feel like that right crown is my dominant one, and that's the perfect one to go with. All right. So man. So I've been doing, man, brushing with my products, man, using my products, brushing with my brush. You know what I'm saying? Using my do-rags, using my oil, Secret Sauce, hair thickening oil, and Secret Sauce hair thickening shampoo. That's it. I haven't even got to the pomades and butters and nothing yet. I will start using that real soon. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you smash the like button right now. Smash it. Don't sleep. Wake up. Smell the drip. Ha ha.